Welcome to the Microscopic Symphony, where we explore how inkjet printers bring pixels to life. We will dive into the complex engineering behind every printed image. To move from screen to paper, a printer utilizes physics to recreate images. While your screen uses light, the printer fires millions of liquid droplets with incredible accuracy. The CMYK color model is how printed materials create colors. Unlike screens that emit RGB light, ink absorbs light and acts as a filter. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black mix to create various hues. Printers generate millions of shades through dithering. The printer overlaps primary colors, creating varying densities that trick the human eye, resulting in a smooth color perception. The heart of the machine is the print head, which contains thousands of nozzles smaller than a human hair. This component is essential for delivering ink precisely onto the page. Understanding resolution, or DPI dots per inch, is crucial. High DPI packs more ink droplets into 1 inch, creating sharper images. At high resolution, the human eye cannot see the individual dots. Printers use two primary engines to eject ink. One uses extreme heat, and the other utilizes mechanical vibration, allowing for different ink and longevity characteristics. The thermal inkjet engine, used by brands like HP and Canon, uses heat. A resistor flash boils the ink, and the expanding steam bubble pushes the liquid out. A vacuum then sucks fresh ink inside. The piezoelectric inkjet engine, favored by brands like Epson and Brother, uses vibration. Electricity changes the shape of a crystal, which flexes inward, and the pulse squeezes the ink out. Comparing the two, the thermal engine uses extreme heat for simple and precise drop ejection. The piezo engine uses vibration and offers a longer lifespan while handling distinct inks. The printer processor coordinates movement using stepper motors. One motor moves the print head horizontally, and another motor moves the paper vertically for perfect registration. Precision tracking is maintained by an encoder strip with microscopic markings that guides the print head. This mechanism ensures the print head always knows its location, preventing blurry or ghosted images. Ink absorption and drying are critical. The paper absorbs the liquid quickly, preventing running colors. Inks contain special chemicals that allow for immediate handling after printing. In summary, inkjet technology relies on several key components: the print head, CMYK color, thermal or piezo engines, and precise motors. Together, they create a high-fidelity image. Behind a simple interface, complex engineering and liquid chemistry meet mechanical precision. This sophisticated system allows you to hold high-resolution memories in your hands.